Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. So, let's get right into it. First things first, make sure to update your iPhone into iOS 17.2. Now, go straight directly to phone setting. Look for sounds and haptics and click on it. From here, you have a lot of options to change the sound of these stuffs like ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, and etc. For instance, this text tone. When you're going to click it, you will see a lot of sound options that you can choose from. Of course, when you set a new notification sound, this will apply to all application on your phone, since iPhone doesn't have a particular notification sound for Instagram. So, that's how to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.